If you've ever deleted a task in teamwork.com by accident, you know how frustrating it can be to lose your work. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to restore deleted tasks in teamwork.com so you can recover your important information with ease. Stick with us until the end because we'll also share a pro tip to prevent task loss in the future. Before we dive in, did you know that you can use teamwork.com for free? Yes, you can start using it right now with an exclusive bonus offer linked below in the description. So let's jump into restoring deleted tasks. First, it's important to understand that when you delete a task in teamwork.com, it doesn't vanish immediately. Teamwork.com gives you a grace period to recover your lost task. To restore deleted tasks, head over to the Deleted Items Don't Work section. This is where all your deleted tasks, projects, and files are stored temporarily. To do this, go to the Find Tasks On tab in the main navigation bar. Once there, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Deleted Items On section. Here, you'll see a list of everything that's been deleted, including tasks. The good news is that this section is pretty easy to navigate. Next, find the task that you want to restore. You'll see options to either permanently delete it or restore it. Simply click on the Restore Desation en Pause button next to the task you want back. Once you do this, the task will be returned to its original project and task list. You're back in business. Now, if you don't see your deleted task immediately, in the VKP Deleted Items for One section, it might be because your account settings or permissions limit what you can see. Double check your permissions, especially if you're part of a larger team. It's worth mentioning that teamwork.com keeps deleted items for a set period of time, usually 30 days, before they are permanently deleted. If the task is older than that, unfortunately, it may be gone for good. But here's an important tip. Don't rely solely on this feature. As a best practice, always make sure you have a backup or another form of record keeping for your most important tasks. This could save you time in case you ever run into this issue again. And don't forget, if you want to take advantage of Teamwork's capabilities, like task restoration, without the worry of losing valuable work, make sure to check out the exclusive free trial offer in the description below. You'll get extended access to teamwork.com, making it easier to keep everything on track. That's all there is to restoring deleted tasks in teamwork.com. Hopefully, this video helps you recover any lost work. Remember, keep your task management system organized and backed up, and you'll avoid future headaches. Be sure to hit the first link below for that exclusive extended free trial offer so you can make the most of Teamwork for your business or personal projects.